Hi everyone, how you doing? Hope you're doing great. Well, this time I'm gonna bring you very easy one pot meal, speedy one, fresh veggies, fish, salt, pepper, olive oil, some lemon juice, and that's it. We're gonna make it very light dinner, good if you are getting a diet or something like that. So I hope you like it. If you like it, give me your feedback, share it if you want to, and leave your comment down here. Thank you.